Today, we will make dumplings with blueberry filling. You will need flour, milk, egg, blueberries, sugar, yeast, salt, icing sugar, cocoa powder, and unsalted butter. To make the dumpling dough, add 400 grams of white bread flour to a mixing bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of unrefined sugar. Add dried yeast, following the instructions on the pack. You will probably need about 2 teaspoons. Add a pinch of salt. Add 1 egg. Follow by 200 milliliters of milk. Knead the dough using a wooden spoon or a food mixer. Once the dough is smooth, cover the bowl with a kitchen towel and leave to rise in a warm place until it doubles in size. This will take about an hour. Next, transfer the dough onto a lightly floured surface. Cut the dough into smaller pieces. Flatten the pieces of dough using your hands. Wash 300 grams of blueberries and place them on top of the dough pieces. Fold each dough piece into a little pocket with the blueberries inside. Press the edges together to close any gaps within the dough. Here is your first dumpling. Repeat the same steps to make the rest of the dumplings. Cover the dumplings with a kitchen towel and leave them to rest for about 5 minutes. Then, boil water in a large pan and add a bit of salt. Boil the dumplings for 5 minutes. Make sure that there is a little bit of space in between the dumplings. Save the rest of the dumplings for the second batch. After 5 minutes, turn the dumplings over and boil them for another 5 minutes. Once the dumplings are cooked well, transfer them to a plate and serve them while they are still hot, sprinkled with icing sugar and cocoa. Pour some unsalted melted butter over the top